connectivity over Ethernet. We now have power over Ethernet for this camera. We've got enterprise level management software for the SimplTrack3 camera, which will work with all the SimplTrack2s and all of the previous models. This camera now not only does auto tracking, but there's an auto framing mode. We have the ability to do HDMI, SDI, USB. It's a really cool camera. And the price point is now, as we've kind of built more into it, has come down to a really affordable price. But let's start off with a little teaser video to show this brand new product that is shipping this week.
Yeah, now shipping.
Wow. Okay. If you didn't get it, this is the third generation. But seriously though, this camera has become twice as good and quite frankly, half the cost each new version. So the very first SimplTrack3 or SimplTrack camera, I remember it today. It was a good camera. It was an auto tracking camera. I think it was just SDI. And then, and I remember it was $6,000. This was like in 2018. But now we are on the third generation and it's awesome. It's really, really cool. Many of our customers have enjoyed the SimplTrack. So let's take a look at this PowerPoint here. And then we're going to go we're not going to bore you with PowerPoint. We're going to go right into a live demo. But